Hello everyone. So today we will discuss about how to write the test class for parent and child related records. Okay. So first I will explain the main class, then we can go to the test class. Okay. So this class I have already have written. So this is the queries. Okay. Um, the parent object is account object and child object is a contact object. Okay, so here whatever the value, this is the logic I have performed here. So the logic is like whenever we are updating the account phone number, it should be updated to all the contact record. So that is the logic, this one. So for this logic I'm going to write the test class. Okay, so how to write the test class? First you need to create one apex class and name should be parent class underscore at test. This is the best practice. Okay, we should follow this one. And now I need to make this class as a test class. For how to do that? At is test. Using this annotation, we can segregate like a test class, this one. So if it's normal, then it's a normal class. If we use at test, then this is the system will be take it as a, this is considered as a test class. So now I'm going to create one method, public static. So the test method should be always static, and I need to use the method as a test method. Then return type void and method name. So this method name you can use anything, but the return type always should be void. So if it's a test method, you should use this annotation. And static is a keyword you should use if you if it's a test class. Test method means, and public is access specified. Okay, so now I'm going to first I show you the how to call this one. Start test dot start test. Okay, and test dot stop test. Here I need to create the object for the main class. New of like and a dot that method name. Okay. Okay. Now I have called that method. Then now we will see the how it's working. So you can save this one. And you go to test a new run, and you can choose your test class, and it will appear, your test method will be appear here, and you can click on run. Now you can see, you can go to test method. Our test is run successfully, and you can go and check only 50% of the code only covered. You can see here. So this code is completely is not covered. Why means you can go and check the logs. Debug, and you can see its value as printed as a empty. We have put two S outs. The two S outs are also empty. That's why it's not entered to this this block. So in order to give the data, while running the test class, it won't get the our original object. It won't get. So we need to make the object our own self before running the test method. Okay, so I'm going to create account a equal to new of account name equal to something. I'm going to put test name. I'm putting, and phone number. Phone number I'm putting as something I'm using. Okay, so after that I'm going to insert a. Now the one record on account record will be inserted. Okay, after that it will process. Now I'm going to save this one. Okay, so we already created the variable as a, so I'm going to put a1. Now you can save this one. I'm going to clear this logs first, and I'm going to run the test class again. First choose the test class and test method and click on run. Okay, now you can first check the logs whether that whatever the values we are given, it was printed here. Click on the debug log. You can see here the values, the test name and phone number as printed. Whatever we are given here, that name is printed here, but the list CON values showing is empty. This one is empty. Okay, so why means if the record with the parent, then only it will be run. So I will show you in the 58. So you can see here, this block is not covered. Why means we are given the only parent record only we are given. So in the child record there is no record. So if there is any child record, then only it will go to inside. For that we need to write the data for child as well. So now I'm going to create contact con equal to new of contact and last name I'm using Sasi and account ID. Account ID equal to this A1 dot ID. Okay, and finally we need to insert CON. Now you can save this one. So now I will clear the logs first, and you can go to your new run test class test method and click on running. Okay, so now you can see here. So the account, the last phone number value as whatever values we are given the phone number value, it should be appear in the contact as well. So now you can go and check the test coverage. You can see here all the method, all the line of code is covered and our test class is 100. So similarly, we need to write the test class for other if it's any other parent and child relationship also we need to write, and child to parent also we need to write the same process. So I hope now you have understand. Now you should know one thing, like the test coverage should be 75. Then only we can able to deploy this code to production. Okay, so I hope you understand this concept. If you have any doubts, you can contact write it in the comment box. Thank you. Thanks for watching.